In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop files from downloading from OneDrive. If OneDrive is currently syncing files and you want to temporarily stop downloads, the quickest way to do it is by pausing syncing directly from the OneDrive menu in Windows. This is especially useful if your internet connection is slow, you're trying to save bandwidth, or you just don't want OneDrive updating files in the background for a while. To begin, look at the taskbar on your computer and find the OneDrive cloud icon. In most cases, this appears in the lower right corner of the screen near the clock. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow that shows hidden icons. Once you find the cloud icon, click it to open the OneDrive panel. After the OneDrive panel opens, look for the settings icon. This is usually shown as a small gear in the upper area of the OneDrive window. Click that gear to open the options menu. This menu gives you access to several OneDrive controls, including sync-related actions. From the menu, select Pause Syncing. This tells OneDrive to temporarily stop syncing activity, which includes downloading files from the cloud to your device. It's important to understand that this is not a permanent shutdown of OneDrive. Instead, it simply pauses syncing for a set amount of time, which makes it a convenient option when you only need a short break. Once you click Pause Syncing, OneDrive will give you a few time options to choose from. You can select 2 hours, 8 hours, or 24 hours, depending on how long you want syncing to stay paused. Choose the option that works best for your situation. For example, 2 hours can be helpful if you just need a short pause while working, while 24 hours may be better if you want OneDrive out of the way for the rest of the day. After you make your selection, OneDrive will stop syncing for that period automatically. When the time runs out, syncing will resume on its own unless you return and pause it again. A helpful tip to keep in mind is that pausing syncing only delays downloads and uploads temporarily. It doesn't delete any files, and it doesn't turn off OneDrive completely. So if you need a quick and safe way to stop files from downloading, this method is simple, effective, and easy to reverse. And that's how to stop files from downloading from OneDrive.